Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make your CapCut edits better quality. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is click on your video. Now head over to adjust and follow what I'm gonna do. First you want to set the contrast to 8, then the saturation to 8 as well. Then sharpen, set it to 50. Highlights 10. And shadows 8. Now once you're done with that, head over to video effects and look for nostalgic light. This one right here. Now adjust the length of it to match the length of the video. Then head over to video effects again. Now look for edge glow. Click on this one right here. Then adjust the length of it. And finally, head over to overlay. Click on add overlay and you want to add this picture. Just take a screenshot of it and crop. Now adjust the length of it. Click on splice. Select overlay. And you're done. This is what it should look like. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.